What if one day, an unexpected adventure comes knocking at your door? Would you take it? Let's step into the world of Middle-earth, where we meet Bilbo Baggins, a respectable hobbit who loves nothing more than the comforts of his own home. He enjoys his peaceful life in the Shire with its rolling green hills, tranquil streams, and the simple pleasure of his 6 meals a day. But little did he know, his life was about to take a turn into the extraordinary. Without a hint of warning, his quiet existence is shattered by the arrival of 13 dwarves and the legendary wizard, Gandalf the Grey. They bring with them a map, a mission, and a call to adventure that Bilbo never saw coming. Their goal is to reclaim the lost dwarf kingdom of Erebor from the fearsome dragon Smaug, and they want Bilbo to be their burglar, their key to success. Despite the absurdity of the situation, Bilbo finds himself caught in a whirlwind of excitement and fear. He's a Baggins of Bag End after all, and Bagginses don't go on adventures. But there's another part of him, a tookish part, that yearns for the thrill of the unknown. Gandalf, seeing this internal conflict, gently persuades Bilbo, encouraging him to step out of his comfort zone and embrace his hidden courage. This is where we begin to see a transformation in Bilbo. The once timid and predictable hobbit starts to entertain the idea of an adventure. He battles his own doubts and fears, wrestling with the decision to leave the safety of his home. But eventually the lure of the adventure proves too strong. The promise of a journey filled with danger, excitement, and the unknown beckons him. And so Bilbo Baggins, much to his own surprise, sets off on a journey that will change him forever. What lengths would you go to survive when faced with a creature as cunning as Gollum? A question we find ourselves asking as we delve into the depths of this intriguing chapter in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit. In the heart of the Misty Mountains, Bilbo Baggins, our humble hobbit hero, stumbles upon a ring of curious power and a creature named Gollum. The ring, as we soon discover, is not just a mere trinket, but a device that can render its wearer invisible, a feature that proves to be of immense value for Bilbo in his forthcoming adventures. This chance encounter leads to a battle of wits, a riddle contest that Bilbo must win to ensure his survival. The stakes are high, and the tension is palpable as Gollum and Bilbo trade riddles, each more complex and cunning than the last. But it's not just about the riddles. This contest is a pivotal moment that showcases Bilbo's quick thinking and resourcefulness, traits which he wasn't even aware he possessed till this moment. Our hobbit, who was once deemed too soft for an adventure, emerges as a figure of resilience and cunning. It's these qualities, coupled with his inherent kindness and sense of justice, that make Bilbo a character to root for. He doesn't just win the riddle game through sheer luck or the ring's power. He uses his wit, courage, and an innate understanding of his adversary. And then there's the ring. Oh, the ring. This seemingly insignificant object becomes a symbol of power and temptation, a key player in the grander narrative of Middle-earth. The discovery of the ring is not just a turning point in Bilbo's adventure, but it's also a crucial element that ties The Hobbit to the epic saga of The Lord of the Rings. With the ring in his pocket, Bilbo unwittingly steps into a tale much larger than his own. This chapter is a testament to the fact that sometimes, the most unassuming characters can rise to the occasion and become the heroes of their own story, and perhaps, even the heroes of stories yet untold. When faced with a battle that could determine the fate of Middle-earth, where do you stand? This question is at the heart of the third act in J.R.R. Tolkien's The Hobbit, as we witness the battle of the 5 armies. This climactic clash, brimming with suspense and action, sees alliances formed, sacrifices made, and characters transformed. The battle begins with tensions escalating over the treasure hoarded within the Lonely Mountain. 5 armies, the dwarves, the elves, the men, the goblins, and the wargs, each stake their claim. It's an intricate dance of politics and power, with alliances forming and dissolving as the battle progresses. However, it's not the grand scale of the battle that captures our hearts but the personal journeys of those involved. One such journey is that of our unlikely hero, Bilbo Baggins. The once timid hobbit who would have preferred to stay in his comfortable hobbit hole finds himself at the center of the conflict, making choices that could alter the course of the battle. Throughout the story, we've seen Bilbo grow from a reluctant participant into a brave adventurer. Now, in the heat of battle, he truly comes into his own. He takes risks, makes sacrifices, and shows a level of courage that surprises even himself. It's a testament to Tolkien's skill as a writer, that he can make us believe in Bilbo's transformation. The Battle of the Five Armies also serves as a poignant reminder of the cost of war. Lives are lost, characters we've come to love are forever changed, and the landscape of Middle-earth is irrevocably altered. Yet amidst the chaos and destruction there's an underlying message of hope and resilience. In the face of adversity, the once timid hobbit proves his worth, showing that courage comes in all sizes. The Battle of the Five Armies, then, is not just a clash of physical forces but a battle of the spirit, reminding us that even the smallest among us can make a big difference. What changes do you bring back after a life-changing journey? This question resonates as we embark on the final chapter of our exploration into J.R.R. Tolkien's masterpiece, The Hobbit. Our friend Bilbo Baggins returns to his beloved Shire, forever transformed by his unexpected adventures. The once timid and unassuming hobbit, who longed for nothing more than the comfort of his home, now carries with him the spirit of an adventurer. The world beyond the Shire, once a distant and frightening concept, has now become a part of him. Bilbo's journey is not merely a physical one, but a journey of self-discovery. He has faced dangers and overcome challenges that he could never have imagined. Through these, he has discovered a courage and resilience within himself that he never knew existed. He returns to the Shire not just as Bilbo the Hobbit, but Bilbo the hero. Yet, for all his newfound love for adventure, Bilbo's heart remains in the Shire. His love for his home, his appreciation for the simple pleasures it offers, is deeper than ever. He is reminded that one can have thrilling adventures and face terrifying dangers, but there's nothing quite like the comfort and peace of one's own home. The ring, a seemingly simple trinket, is now a legacy that Bilbo carries with him. This ring, a small, unassuming object, holds a power far greater than its size suggests. Its presence foreshadows the adventures yet to come, adventures that will shape the destiny of Middle-earth. As we close this chapter of Bilbo's journey, we are left with a profound understanding of the transformation that has taken place within him. The timid hobbit from the Shire has become a hero, an adventurer, a bearer of a powerful legacy. Yet he remains at heart a lover of his home. As Bilbo settles back into his quiet life, he carries with him the spirit of an adventurer, forever changed by his unexpected journey. What can we take away from the incredible journey of a simple hobbit? In a nutshell, The Hobbit by J.R.R. Tolkien is a tale that takes us from Bag End to the Lonely Mountain, and back again. A journey of a quiet homebody transformed into an unlikely hero. We witness Bilbo Baggins, a simple hobbit, evolve from a creature of comfort into a brave adventurer, outwitting trolls, solving riddles, and standing his ground in the face of danger. The Hobbit's adventure begins with an unexpected journey, a call to action from a group of dwarves and a wizard, propelling Bilbo into a world beyond the Shire. With each chapter, we see Bilbo grow, his courage blooming in the face of adversity. From riddles in the dark to the discovery of the ring, each event shapes Bilbo, building his character. The climactic Battle of the Five Armies tests Bilbo's courage and loyalty, pushing him to his limits. Yet it's his journey home, the return to his beloved Shire, that truly completes his transformation. Throughout this journey, Tolkien explores themes of courage, adventure, and home. Courage is not about being fearless, but about facing fear and overcoming it. Adventure is not just about thrilling escapades, but about the personal growth that comes with it. And home is not just a place, but a sense of belonging, a testament to one's roots. The Hobbit has left an indelible mark on the realm of fantasy literature. It has given us a world of magic, peopled with characters that are as real as they are fantastical, and a narrative that is as much about personal transformation as it is about epic adventure. In the end, The Hobbit is not just a tale of an adventure but a testament to the extraordinary potential within ordinary beings. It reminds us that bravery does not always roar. Sometimes it is the quiet voice at the end of the day whispering, "I will try again tomorrow." This is the enduring legacy of Bilbo Baggins, our unexpected hero. In the end, The Hobbit is not just a tale of an adventure, but a testament to the extraordinary potential within ordinary beings.